Okay, I'm going to have a garden update here, short one. And these are my gladiolas here out in front. I got some more over by the mailbox too. Um, I wasn't thinking when I put these in here. Barkley, he's tied out on the cable. He'll run around this way here and tear things up. So I put a little fence around here. Maybe next year I'll move them back toward the back. But anyway, I put a little fence back here to protect them. And let's go back here. Okay, here's my little mosquito plant here. Roses. Need to trim these roses too. While I'm doing this, I brought my clippers with me this time. You already spent petals out of here, flowers. We got some more buds popping up too right here. See the buds? Cherry tomato I haven't transplanted yet. More roses. This one here I bought for Shelly. Multicolor roses, white and pink. I thought it was pretty cool. Pretty expensive too. Let's go over here. Okay, we're going to start down here now. My watermelon there. We're getting a lot of tomatoes. We already been eating some tomatoes, quite a few of them. And I got yellow jalapenos here. These are grape tomatoes here. I don't think they're going to be making any tomatoes though. Let me see what we got here. I brought my clippers out for a reason here. Yeah, here we go. Now this is not my mammoth jalapeno plant, but look at that pepper. And let me tell you, these peppers are hot too. Not like last year. Oh, here's another big one down here. Gonna have a lot of peppers. Keep that one on for now. And these two here. This is my milkweed plant. I started from seeds. Look like I got 3 milkweeds popping up here. Yeah. And see what we got on this jalapeno plant. These plants were really small when I first planted them. There's some peppers, not real big ones. I'm gonna start picking these more often here. I haven't picked them in a while. See what we got back here. Yeah. peppers I've been eating, man, they've been so hot, I couldn't stand them. That's not usually like me, maybe because I haven't ate them for a while. Okay, this is what we got so far. This plant here is growing slowly. That's all right. Still producing peppers though. Fat one. Not a long one, fat one. I love growing jalapeno peppers. I don't know what they're doing no more. I don't eat them the way I used to. I used to eat them all the time, just by themselves. Lately though, I don't know. Maybe because of my age. And this is my mammoth plant here. This is where I was getting some big peppers from. You can't really tell the difference. These are the mammoth. These come from other plants. Interesting. Sun's pretty bright out here. I hope it's not going to interfere with the camera. Sometimes it does. Trying to get this back one here. Oh, step on my onions here. Look at that big old thing. Okay. Now the trail cam I had out here, it did cause some deer out here eating off the raspberry. Oh, it was even eating off the tomato plant too. So we put these up here. I might put some netting on it later. This is my 3rd generation beefsteak plant. I done the seeds the Amish way, where you just put a bunch of tomato in the pot on top of dirt, wrap it up, keep it cool, dark place. We'll see if we get anything off of it. This tomato plant here starting yellow for some reason. I got to check on that. See why it's yellowing. And like I said, we have been eating a lot of bell peppers. This one's laying on the ground. That's the owl Shirley bought. Try to keep animals away, squirrels, deers maybe, I don't know. Okay, let's see what we got here. I think I'll pick some yellow jalapenos. Yeah, I grew these yellow jalapenos from seeds. This is 2nd generation for these. I think I picked this pepper too. And that's all I see there. This thing here's dead. This tomato limb here, I'm gonna get rid of it. What do I got here? I think I'm gonna throw that out. Okay. We have been picking some of the tomato while they're still like yellow, orange. Set them in the house, let them change on their own so they don't rot out here. Then I'm going to take this one here. It's about to fall off anyway. Yeah, it'll change on its own so it don't rot. Try to keep bugs away from it. Now I want to show you this here. Here's one of my watermelons right here. You can see that. Here's another watermelon. Oh, here's another watermelon. These are going to be the long watermelons, not the round ones. Oh, I got another one way back over there too. You probably can see it from here. What I did, I put cardboard down here. I was weed whacking here, and these watermelon vines was on the ground. The roly-poly crap. Anyway, I cut a watermelon off. It was about this size here. So I figure if I put cardboard down here, I can actually see the watermelon. And let's go back here. Okay, if you can see way over there, those are the milkweeds I got some of the seeds from. And I bought some from eBay too, just in case. And I planted some down here too. See those? I got 2 milkweeds going right there. I planted some here, but they didn't take. So let's go over here. Oh yeah, the raspberries are about gone because the deer's been eating them. I thought Shelly was. She thought I was, and found out it was a deer. Oh, my trail camera. I put right back here. I got another one. I got to do a review on it before I put it out here. I might put it back in front for the hummingbirds. Anyway, I got it right there. I put water out when it's really hot and dry out, and for the animals. I'll show you a video about with these foxes playing. Yeah, not much in blackberries. And we got grapes. They're not done yet. I want to show you a picture of some grapes Shelly brought in. Some white grapes, green grapes, we'll call them. Well, here's the purple one, but it's all done for. Oh, here's one back here. No, it's all rotted. Nope. Where's the one I dropped? Yeah. It's not quite done yet. Nope. Nope. This is where I've been getting my grapes from here on this side. That's not done yet either. Well, come over here. This is the dahlia of the year I grew from seed. It's just growing still. I only had one. I'll do more later. I need to pull some weeds. We got a few strawberries, not much. We got some more flowers. We haven't begun. This is not a good year for strawberries for us. There's a green one down in there. These got flowers on them. I've been trying to trim them. More gladiolas. She planted hollyhock somewhere in here too. I forgot where. But she got yellow gladiolas. And I think it was this one here. She was trying to straighten it up and broke the stem on it. I told her, no, you don't do that. You dig up the ball. Just try to straighten it up that way. Because I broke one in the front yard the same way. So, I don't know if I can put down water and save it or not. No, I doubt it. I doubt it. I wonder if wild animals like it or not. I don't know. Anyway, that's all I got for you for now. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't yet. And until next time. Later.